Welcome to S&J Customs, y'all. We're gonna put together another billet. This one here is gonna start out at 33 layers, and I'm gonna cut in every now and then talk about what we're doing. But mostly, I'm just gonna let y'all enjoy the racket of the forging that we do here. And here we go. I just took it out of the kerosene because I welded up, and I don't have filters for my welder, so I can't show y'all that part right there. And I cut it and cleaned it off the clock because y'all seen that. That's pretty boring, cleaning up and stacking the billet. But I put it in kerosene, and when it's still hot, that creates a layer of carbon on there, and it helps it stick. Now, this is where you heat it. It's not forge welding temps, nice and hot. And you put your little bit of flux on there, and that just reinforces that layer of carbon that you're putting on there. All right, after you get your flux on there, then you go ahead and put it right back in the forge, and y'all see me put that little piece of insulation on there and cover it up. That's so it can come on up to forge welding temperature. And y'all see just a little bit later on where I guess, burn all the oxygen out of my forge, and I had me a hot forge, and the fire didn't want to cooperate. Y'all keep on watching for that, man. Guys, right around here, I've got this billet screaming hot. It is white hot. I should probably wear sunglasses whenever I look at it so it don't burn my eyes like a welder would. But you want to get that sucker real good and hot, 1900 degrees, somewhere around in there. And then you see I'm going ahead and take the liberty of pressing on all four sides. That's because for some odd reason my billet squashed to the front on me. So I think I'm gonna stick to my little 25 stack, and well, we'll wait and how we see this one comes out in part two before I say that. But this billet was a little bigger than what my forge can handle. It barely fit in there in my little baby forge. I'm gonna have to get my other one up and running to get a big one. All right, y'all. All right, guys. Right here, y'all can see that billet is hot. This is press number two, and she's squashing real good. It's fitting in the forge now. It's also getting a little bit longer. You can't really see it from this angle, but that's the way it is. And I didn't show y'all my pre-checks on the little coal iron forge right there, but you always check these two bolts on the side with them brass plates on there, and make sure all of everything's tightened up, didn't get loose in the last forge. And then you put your way lube on there, and that helps them little brass slides a lot. They'll last a whole lot longer. And I think you get a little bit more power to your press too if it's not fighting to get up and down. All right, guys, right here I know I got me a solid piece. So I've done put my top drawing down, and now I'm kind of stretching it out just a little bit. Now with this 33 layers, I could cut and stack right here because I'm drawing it out to about 6 inches. But I want to get about at least 12 inches out of this. It'll go that easy, and I'll just keep on working it. There'll be a part two at some point today, And, I got some chores to do, then I'll be right back on top of it. All right, y'all. Y'all enjoy the rest of the video. Guys, if y'all made it this far in the video, I surely do appreciate y'all watching, man. And if you got a comment on something that you see what I've done wrong, like y'all see my file on the forge right there is kind of wonky. And I believe that's because I had it closed up, got it too hot. That brand new bottle of propane puts out a lot of juice. But like, subscribe, and share, y'all. And like I say, if y'all see something that I could improve on with this stuff like this, just leave me a comment. See you next time.